Hey guys, this is part two, the Adobe Spark screencast. I honestly don't know what happened. Partway through the first, everything froze. So this is just to show you the two final products after I've done more editing and working on them. We have first, this is the one you saw me partway through. Oops. Let me see if I can get this so that the whole thing can fit on. It's just cutting off the bottom where it says room 129. This has the overall sort of a more poster or flyer format. The parts I want to point out is the use of colors. So in this case, for example, I did a black and white photo, and the other one you'll see it's not black and white. The photos are not black and white, I don't think, but there is consistent colors and font choice to make it more cohesive. When you see them side by side, you can kind of tell if you walked by those two posters or those two advertisements, you would know they're part of the same program. This one is more specific to the regional competition. Again, I'm sorry, the way the screen is set up. It is, there we go, here we go. Cutting off the bottom. So this one is very different. It's a square format, and this is specific to the regional competition on November 16th of this year. But again, it has our school logo, our DECA logo, and some pictures of students that are in professional attire. This is a similar theme, but very different piece. If you have any questions, I hope that's helpful. And if you have any other questions around how to make them consistent, one thing I'd also like to point out, this is actually the same photo I used on the first, and that's fine. Again, that can actually help with consistency. You're just going to use stuff in different ways. Let me know if you have any questions tomorrow. Take care. Bye.